How to use AI to run your Shopify dropshipping marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with your Shopify dropshipping marketing and all of your Shopify dropshipping needs via AI. So AIs have become super popular right now. People are writing, theses using this. You can find basically all of the knowledge of the world in the form of a question, and AI can really help you in answering, the most interesting questions. It can give you so many different ideas, and I definitely do think that AI has a lot more potential than people realize. Even now, AI is still underpowered, but a lot of people are underestimating the things that they can do with AI. So, a lot of people see these basic prompts and they're like, okay, whatever, it's no use for me. But let me tell you guys, this has been such a amazing and great help when I'm trying to set up my Shopify dropshipping stores, especially when I'm doing it, nonstop for multiple different clients. This is going to be a lifesaver. Now, this lifesaver is so effective because whenever you're, starting a dropshipping store, so if I go into my apps, I have apps like Deezers, and these kinds of tools allow me to add products to my store, but those products are not very customizable at all. Those products look pretty much like a dropshipped product, and that's like the first store, the first thing you don't want to display in your Shopify store. You don't want it to look like a supplier store. You want it to look professional. So I like to use AI in various use cases. So the first is definitely to write my product copies. So you can see, let's say I have this bracelet and I'm just gonna open it up to show you guys. This is like the item that I might want to import. Now, I can put the title like this, I can add, the description like this, but the thing with that is it's not going to give me a lot of customizability and my products are not just gonna look that good. So the thing with adding products is you want them to look good. So what I would do is I would take the basic name and I would ask, so I'm going to ask it, can you write a product description and title for a 4 cubic zirconia green tennis bracelet? And you guys can see a cubic zirconia green tennis bracelet, and it just copied the title, but I can ask it to rename the bracelet. So you guys can see, instead of having, a basic name, I can have it Emerald Elegance Tennis Bracelet, the 4 cubic zirconia on delicate chain. So this is such a amazing tool. Just like that, I have a amazing product description. So instead of having to write, the description from AliExpress, which is, not very aesthetically pleasing, you could say, it says, is a true showstopper, delicately crafted chain, high quality materials, fits comfortably, timeless, elegant, everyday, sparkle. It has all of those keywords that you are always looking for. So, writing product descriptions and product titles is one of the most helpful things that I like to do with AI. Now, secondly, when you push a item from any kind of dropshipping supplier, you want to be able to market your product. So, in terms of marketing, you can ask it to write ad copies for this product. So, can you write an ad copy for this product? Now, you guys can see it wrote such a amazing little ad copy, looking for a piece of jewelry that is both elegant and sophisticated. Look no further. Crafted from high quality materials, just adding for it's just like perfect because it has a striking balance. Now, let's say I want to market this towards Gen Z, or I want it to be marketed towards the younger generation. Can you so for that, I just add the prompt. So can you rewrite this in a more relatable language to Gen Z? Now it's going to rewrite me the ad copy into a more Gen Z oriented description, and you can see the very large difference. First, it was focusing on elegant, timeless, and making it a very basic kind of description or copy ad, then you can see now it changed, it added words like showstopper, special event, never go out of style, perfect gift for your best friend or someone who's into chic, sophisticated jewelry. So you guys can see it definitely allows you to customize your marketing. Now, not only this, but you can also ask it to generate ideas for you. So, what kind of dropshipping products do you think would sell fast? So, what kind of dropshipping products perform well? Then now it's going to give me, multiple different categorizations, and you can just ask it for more questions, and it will give you multiple different items to list onto your Shopify store. So, can you give me ideas for products to dropship? Phone accessories, fitness equipment, beauty and skincare, so eco-friendly products, smart home. So you guys can see this is like now not only do I have reduced the R&D, so instead of having to research a product, having to go through multiple different suppliers and finding the product that I'm looking for, not being sure if my idea is going to work out. Having something like ChatGPT can really help you in setting what kind of product you want to sell and deciding, what is going to be the future of your business. Now, after that, you can also ask it to write Instagram captions, especially if you're running a dropshipping store. I'm pretty sure that you have a Instagram, so you can ask it to write Instagram captions for jewelry products. So I asked it to write Instagram sales caption. Sales captions are going to be the one that have like a call to action or like a kind of way for people to be like, oh, we should shop from here. So, it has amazing little captions that you can add, and you can use these in your marketing, in your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you're posting your ads. You can use these to further elevate your Shopify product. So, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to use AI to your advantage and get more out of AI. And you're now able to, refocus on your branding, on your marketing using AI and expand your business further. So, and if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.